Hi, this is Narayana from Narayana Technologies. Today's our topic is features of C language. Before going to talking about features of C language, so we should know one of the thing is C is a programming language. So we know that already what is meant by language. Language is nothing but it is an intercommunicating with the computers. The purpose is to be providing the instructions or statement to the computer. How we can provide these instructions or statement to the computer using program. Now we should know what is meant by program. Any program is a collection of blocks. That block names may be a procedure or a function or a subroutine or a class. Now what is meant by C program? C program is a collection of blocks. These blocks are used to call as functions. Now what is meant by function? Function is nothing but it is the set of statements or instructions to perform a particular task. Function is the set of statements or instructions to perform a particular task. The task may be like addition of two values, subtraction of two values, multiplication of two values, any other task. Now we should know what is meant by statement. Statement is nothing but the collection of operands and as well as operators. The set of operands and operators are used to call as a statement. So a set of statements are required to prepare a particular function. Now we should know one of the thing to be remembered here. C is generally used to call as a procedural language. Why C is called as a procedural language? If any language supposed to be writing the collection of blocks using a procedure or function or subroutine, then the languages are used to call as procedural languages. If any language supports to write the program collection of blocks using a procedure or function or subroutine, then the languages are used to call as procedural language. The C language supposed to be writing the program collection of blocks using functions. So that's why function is one of the methodology or a technology of procedural technology. So C is called as procedural language. Now features of C. First one is called structured programming language. What is meant by structured programming language? We know already what is language. Language is nothing but it is an intercommunicating with the computers. The purpose is to provide instructions or statements to computer. Now we already discussed what is meant by program. Program is nothing but collection of blocks. C program is a collection of blocks or called as function. So what is meant by function is a set of statements. So whatever we are going to grouping or placing the set of statement into a particular function. These statements can be structured, nothing but can be grouped or can be wrapped into a particular function according to the C language in four types of mechanism. That is, first one is sequential control statements, means writing the set of statements to be controlled to execute sequentially statement by statement is called sequential control statements. Second one is condition control statements, means writing the set of statements to be controlled to execute depends upon the condition is called condition control statements. Next one, case control statements, means writing the set of statements to be controlled to execute depends upon the user choice is called case control statements. Next one, loops or iteration control statement. Repetition of the same block statements until the condition is false is called as loop or iteration control statements. These are four types of statements can be wrapped or can be structured, can be grouped into a particular function. So these things will be, this is what right now we are talking about feature. Later we'll discuss in the further videos, we'll be going to discussing about how to write sequential control statements, condition control statements, case control statements and loop control statements. How we can select which type of programming to write with the type of control statements, that we'll discuss in the further videos. Next one is modularity, means dividing the program into number of blocks is called as modularity. The C program can be divided into number of blocks as a functions. So C language is supporting modularity. Next one, reusability means their only meaning. Reusability means use again and again. Once the function has been defined, then the function can be called wherever it required without rewriting the existing function code or existing function statements is called as reusability. So what are the advantages of reusability? The C language supporting reusability. The advantage of reusability is less application memory, because whatever code he written, that can be reused more times, so that he can able to reduce the application memory, and he can able to reduce the application development time. And code redundancy means whatever repeated code is there that he can define in one function can be used anywhere else. So that is called code redundancy, repetition of the code. Easy enhancements. Enhancements is further if you want to be change any more extendable functionalities. So existing functions you can take and adding the new functionality or new statements so that you can extend the functionality. Next, increases the performance of the application. These are the advantages with the concept of reusability. Next one, portability. So there only the meaning. Portability means adjustability. The C language is having a portability. Once write a source code of the program in one operating system, it can be copied into some other operating system with little bit modifications is called as portability. That means now you can write your C program in Windows operating system. Same logical program it can be carried into some other operating system called as Linux operating system. There you can change some little bit modifications according to the translators which are supporting in Linux operating system, because there may be some kind of predefined functions which are supporting by the Windows translators, nothing but compilers, may not be supporting by the Linux translator, nothing but Linux compilers. So those things has to be changed. But logically what we are writing the program, that is no change. When you are writing in Windows or when you are writing in Linux or when you are writing in IBM operating systems or anywhere else, it will work on any operating system. So that is the reason C language is having portability. Next one is limited number of keywords. So word is nothing but set of characters. Keyword is nothing but built-in word, existing word, reserved word. The C language is having very limited keywords. So these words can be remembered easily, and these words purpose can be remembered easily when you want to use this existing reserved words is supporting by the C language. So these are the features of the C language. The major features is structured programming language, modularity, reusability, and portability. So and another feature is called as limited number of keywords. These are the features of C language. Now our next requirement is steps to approach to C program. So when you are going to learning some particular language, let us for example if you are learning English language. So what we will do, first we'll learn the alphabetics, then sentences, words, sentences, group discussions. That is the way we'll learn the English language. Similarly, if you are going to learning the C language, we required some basic requirement before learning the C language, which are now the first step what we are going to explaining there, that is called characters, digits, and special characters. Second one is words, data types, variables, constants. And next further we'll approach to statements or instructions. Next further we'll approach functions. Next one is program. This is a process we are going to approaching to learn to write the C program. Now in the first step, characters means whatever characters are available in our keyboard, all the characters can be used both in upper and as well as lowercase characters. Second one is digits. You can use all the digits which are available, that is 0 to 9 digits in our program. Special characters means whatever the special characters are available in keyboard, like at the rate and symbol, dollar symbols, these are the special symbols which are available in keyboard. All special characters can be used in our C program, but somewhere we'll have some kind of restrictions will be there which are not to be used the special characters. So once we coming to that situation, we'll explain that why should not use the special characters into the our C program. So right now we can use all the symbols here. So all characters can use, all digits can be used, all special characters can be used. Now in the second step, our first one is called words. What is mean by word? We already just now we explained. Word is nothing but set of characters. Generally, the C language is supporting two types of words: built-in words, user-defined words. Built-in means already existing words. The C language is already providing some kind of predefined existing words. Whatever the words which are already exist with our C language, these words should be used in our program in lowercase itself only, because C is a case sensitive language. Means the words which are available in lowercase should be used in lowercase. If it is available in uppercase, should be used in uppercase. But most of the existing words which is available in our C language are available in lowercase. We also to be used in our program these words in lowercase only. Second one is user defined words. Means these words can be defined by user according to requirement. That is, any string message which are going to printing, any user defined variable names, or any user defined functions which can be defined either in upper or in lowercase. So our next video will be data types. So users, if you like this video, please like and share. For more update, please subscribe our channel. Thank you all.